Hey guys, welcome back to Tennessee Grilling and Smoking. I'm Dustin, little man Colson here, and a little bit behind on our giveaways, but as promised, here it is. I was going to make it a 500 giveaway. Now I think I've got like 813 subscribers last time I checked, and it is freaking amazing. So we've got a ton of things to give away, and let's get to it. So now I've got 4 different drawings I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to be drawing the names of the winners on February the 13th. I believe that's a Saturday, about 2 weeks from now. And like I said, 4 different drawings. And here's the first one. The first drawing is going to be for a Smoky Mountain Axe House, a local business, donated these hats for me. Guys, this guy right here is freaking amazing. The owner's name's Tim Fry. Get on there. I'm going to link his Instagram to that Smoky Mountain Axe House. It's such a fun thing to do. I started playing. Me and my boys both started playing. We're playing in the league and everything like that. I'm hooked on it. Great place. So if you're local, swing by there, check him out. If not, just go to an axe house near you. I'm sure they're everywhere, I bet. So, right there. First thing you're going to get on the first package is a Smoky Mountain Axe House hat and a thing of the Sucklebusters lemon pepper garlic. Great on fish, best thing I've used on fish so far. So that's going to be for number 1 right there. Second drawing is just kind of a little mashup. We've got some measuring cups, bigger measuring cups. Little garlic dicer there. We got this right here, the Lodge spray. It's to take care of your cast iron skillet. Really cool set. And some Barkeeper's Friend. Now, if you've never used this stuff before, I use this on anything that's stainless steel or aluminum. I use it to clean up the Lockhart. I use it to clean up any kind of pans I have. Great little powder there. I love it. All right, our next one right here is another thing of Sucklebusters. This is the Bam Habanero. Freaking awesome. I used it on my pork ribs the other day. It's kind of got a kick to it, but Bam Habanero, I mean, that pretty much says it's going to have a kick to it. So you get what you pay for on that one. I love it. All right. And also, the Country Garden and Bait Shack, another local business, donated these right here. Now these are Rada. This is what I use at the house. These are Rada steak knife set. They're really good. They're really sharp. And then if you watched any of my videos, you can see that knife right there. That's my go-to. I love it. I don't even know what kind of knife it's called. What do they call it on here? Old-fashioned butcher is what they call it. Well, great knife, guys. This right here, I use it on almost everything. That's going to come in this giveaway. And like I said, this came from the Country Garden and Bait Shack down there in Lenore City. That's actually my parents. They own that. And they've also started selling Sucklebusters. So they've got a bunch of selection down there, and I would imagine that it's the best selection here in Tennessee you can get, because the only place I can find is Rural King, and you only just find a few things. So if you're local and you go down there, you got any flavor you can get. Because me and Sucklebusters teamed up, and I started selling Sucklebusters now. So all these flavors, any kind of flavor you want, if you're interested in it, just shoot me an email. I'm going to put my email there in the description. Shoot me an email and we can work something out, and I'll get them shipped out to you. So there's that. All right, and my last one right here is this giveaway right here. It's going to be another one of the Smoky Mountain Axe House hats. Now check this out. One of those tactical hats. He's got a patch, sticks on there. So we got that right there. And I can't stress to you enough, this is the funnest thing I think I have done in my adult life. I don't know if it's just the competition aspect of it or what. It's just fun to do. He's got a great shop up there, and if you're local, I beg you, go up there and give it a try. A lot of my friends have done it before, and I was like, yeah, he's throwing an axe. And I finally got talked into going, and I'm hooked. I love it. And that place up there, he's got it set up so good. And he was kind enough to donate 2 hats for this giveaway, and I'll be putting his link to his Instagram there in the description. Please, if you don't care, go down there and check him out. I believe he's talked about opening up like a TikTok or a YouTube channel maybe coming up in the future. I'll keep you updated on that as soon as he posts it out. But yeah, go check him out, definitely. Cool hat, great hats right here. Thank you, Tim, for all the donations. All right, and the last thing on this giveaway is a cutting board / serving tray from Greenback Designs. Now these are the guys, these are the people that gave me my cutting board that I use on every one of my videos. They do amazing work. He was so kind enough to donate this serving tray. It is really nice, great wood. got the epoxy inlay with some pearl mixed in with it. Just really, really good looking serving tray, guys. Like I said, serving tray, cutting board, you can use it for anything. They do a great job on everything that they do. They do a lot of different things. They have, I'll put a link to it in every one of my videos of Greenback Designs Facebook page. Go and check them out. But right now, what's pretty exciting about this is they're starting up their YouTube channel now. And they're just getting it started. They haven't posted any videos yet, but as soon as they do, I'll be linking their description in my description. Just a bunch of really, really good guys. I'm blessed to be around so many local people here that just got so much talent. So, yeah, I think this is a great little giveaway. I'm going to give 4 people a chance to be in this drawing, and I'm going to be drawing on February the 13th, Saturday. So all you need to do is get him out in the comments, and I just need you to do a hashtag Sucklebuster. Do a hashtag Sucklebuster, and I'll be picking names out of those comments on the 13th. So guys, thank you so much for all your support. This is the only reason I do this. Y'all are making it so fun to do. Every day I wake up right now and I'm getting tons and tons of new comments and subscribers. And I can't thank you enough. I'm having a blast doing this, and we'll see you next time.